Hi there, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the R83 in ceiling speakers. Now they come in a pair and they're part of the black range. The whole focus of the R83 is to give you high quality sound that you can mount in the ceiling. Aesthetically speaking, having a black speaker stuck in your ceiling isn't the nicest thing to look at, and that's why OSD supply a magnetic pop-on grill. And if by chance you don't have a white ceiling, that's no problem. These grills are all fully paintable, so you end up with a high-performing speaker with a high-performance finish. So let's run through some tech specs and let you know what this speaker is all about. So to take care of all the high frequencies, we're using a 25mm ceramic-coated aluminium tweeter. Another design feature is the pivoting tweeter. This enables you to contour the sound exactly the way you want in your room. And then finally we have the 8-inch carbon fibre drive unit. And for such a small compact system, these speakers actually pack quite a punch. And this enables the R83 to get a very healthy speaker response of 28Hz to 22 kHz. And there's also a very convenient high frequency trim control at the front of the speaker, while gives you that extra control while contouring the sound for the room. Now with a very healthy power handling of 175 watts, an 8 ohm resistance and a sensitivity of 91 dB, these are very versatile speakers. You can use them as main listening speakers, or alternatively you could actually use them as surrounds in a multi-channel media system. And just like the T83 in wall, which you're looking at now, the crossover is completely encased with a couple of vents to stop debris or anything getting in there and damaging the speaker. There's also spring-loaded speaker terminals to make installation faster and easier, not to mention very strong indeed. As far as installation goes, it's really simple. You just cut your hole and they supply a template, pop the speaker in after it's connected up of course, and then just turn the dog legs, which are fitted on all of the OSD in wall and in ceiling speakers. And that covers the R83. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. If you have, please like and subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care, bye bye.